Hi, Lily. I hope that you're doing well. Okay, so last week we learned the rest of our sharp side scales. We have our F sharp major scale, which has 6 sharps in it, and our C sharp major scale, which has 7 sharps. Everything is sharp. Who'd have thunk it? So, a quick reminder about whenever you practice those this week, we do not use our pinkies at all in those scales. So, what we'll have to do in order to play the whole thing is we'll have to cross over our thumb a couple times during the scale, going up and going down. Okay, so this week I wanted us to focus inside of the book a little bit more. Last we left off, we got to page 18, and we were talking about the dotted half note. So the dot in and of itself has a very interesting property. But for a second, let's just cover up the dot next to the half note. And if it's not there, we really just have a half note, right? Which we know is worth 2 beats. So if we uncover the dot, then magically now we have 3 dots. But why? So what happens with the dot is it sort of observes the note that it's next to, and it looks at how long it is and basically becomes half of it. So in this case, our half note without the dot is worth 2 beats, right? So this dot comes over and it's like, I'm going to become half of that. So half of 2 is 1, right? And then it sort of just combines itself with whatever it's next to. So that would give us a total of 3 beats on our dotted half note. Whereas, say we had it next to a whole note, right? We know a whole note is worth 4 beats. So if this dot comes over, it's going to look at the whole note and go, oh yeah, that's worth 4. I'm going to become half. So it'll take half, it'll become 2, and then it'll hang out with the whole note. So that would give us a total of 6 beats. Yes, we can add it to a quarter note as well. Here's the quarter note. Here's the dot. It's like, okay, that's only 1 beat. What is half of 1 beat? Half of a beat. So those are called eighth notes, by the way. An eighth note plus a quarter note would be the same length as a dotted quarter note, right? Okay, so looking at this new piece, we have a repeat at the end. So we're going to go through. It doesn't say on the page anywhere that we're starting in an odd place, and it doesn't say it wants us to repeat it more than once. So we play through it, and then we repeat it one more time, and then we're done. We'll start off by clapping the rhythm that we have, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, repeat. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Also remember that we are mezzo forte here. So we aren't going to be like super loud, but we aren't going to be super quiet either. It'll be somewhere in the middle. All right. So for this week, I want you to work on the dotted half note song, or Hey Mr. Half Note Dot. And I also want you to start looking at the Alouette. This is another piece that features our dotted half note. You could actually go through and circle all the dotted half notes that you see, and that'll help you distinguish them from the regular half notes that are there. But yeah, very good. Work on this. Keep working on your scales, especially now that we have those new funky ones that don't use our pinkies at all. Another reminder, in our B major scale, We do use our pinky in our right hand, but we don't use it in the left hand. Watch out for that. But very good. You're doing really good. I hope that you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.